Ever shot a video indoors under LED lights or filmed an interview in an office and noticed that annoying flicker later? Or maybe you captured event footage where you had no control over the lighting and now parts of it look unusable. Video flickering is primarily caused by a mismatch between the camera's shutter speed, frame rate, and the frequency of the artificial light sources. This sometimes can be solved by trying to match your frame rate or going up in shutter speed, but this will affect the look of your video as well. Or changing the light source, which you don't always have the option for. So if you can't avoid flickering while shooting or only notice it in post-production, a simple fix in post can actually save your footage. There are tools that will just simply remove it for you, and today I'll show you a simple one-click solution. I will be using the Wondershare UniConverter for this task, so if you want to try it with me, download it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. When you have it up and running, click on the Video Enhancer AI tool. This tool has various features for video enhancement, including a deflickering tool, which we'll use today to clean up our clips. Okay, first import your video or videos you'd like to work on. The tool supports a batch workflow, so you may import up to 20 videos. Then click on the Video Deflicker tool. Here you can choose how bad the flickering is in your video. Weak is light flickering, the level that you could almost even close an eye on. And strong is the level that makes the video absolutely unusable. Normal is something in between. I'll choose strong on the slider here. Finally, choose an output folder and click on Export All. Here you'll see the progress on the video thumbnails. Alright, let's see the result. As you can see, the flickering is completely gone, saving the footage that otherwise would have been unusable. Okay, that was all for today. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.